Bro, what the hell, man?
What the hell, bruh?
Bruh.
Bruh, bruh.
Bruh, bruh, bruh. Alright, man.
Coming out.
Wait, who's...
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna land after you guys, alright?
Go. He's in touch and go. Oh, go, Jack. Come on down. He's gonna escort him. I think it's AS3X. Alright, taxiing out.
China cleared.
Vamos.
Gear up.
Okay. Let's split the sun. Okay. Yeah, split the sun. Oh, hey, there's a glider up there.
Yeah. That's a full scale.
Is that a glider or a balloon? Or is that a balloon?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
No pass.
It's a glider.
Yeah, it's going pretty slow.
Yeah.
Look, could be an airplane.
I think it's a glider.
From the back.
What I'm Nibek. Is everybody down? Yeah, everybody's down. It is a glider. It's just going real slow.
And from the back. Maybe my batteries are just not the right one.
Maybe, because it's better now.
It feels good.
It feels good now.
It feels fast.
It is. What battery was in there now?
6,000.
There you go. What were you using before? That's why, dude, come on. It needs a 6,000. The weight and then the, just something about that extra burst, extra current. It can, you know, see, look, it's hauling ass now. That's perfect.
It's
Because
hot.
you used to have a hard time keeping up.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, you're right on it.
Yeah, dude, totally. Totes my goats.
Totes my goats. All right, high alpha.
Oh man, you just sprung that up on me. I gotta do this again.
That's why I do those turns, because then I'm already in it.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, dude, I got it now. Alright, now. Whoa.
What the hell are you doing? You're way the hell over there. Took a break. You're like, oh, I'm like, oh, shit, where are you going? Get back over here, young blood. You leaving? All right, see ya.
What the hell are you doing, dude? What the hell are you doing?
Don't tase me, bro.
Come at me, bro.
One minute over.
I'm doing some fastness. Okay, coming back the other way.
Oh yeah, this is definitely.
See, it feels good now, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You need that heavy pack.
It feels better. It's
Yeah.
faster. I can keep up with
Yeah,
you
you
now.
can. You couldn't before.
I couldn't.
The
yeah.
4,000 is just not enough. Or even 5,000. Even the 5,500 is not enough. All right. I used the 5800 35C and that was enough. But this one that I'm using now,
That's the money.
oh, 6200 50C.
Over.
Wow. Did you do it?
It just does it so well. It's so funny. Hold on, check this. It's just like you just go up.
Dirty roll, baby.
Stabilize it so well. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh shit balls.
Timer over. 2 minutes 38 seconds. Over.
Oh yeah.
Dirty roll, dirty roll. Yeah, right after you're clear.
Gear down.
It's so much better minus the fins.
I like it.
What are you doing, Jack?
Whoever wants to do it, High five.
Hey, let him run.
Gotta get all the yayas out now.
Shit, we gotta go fly some more.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here. Gotta hurry up and get out of here. I got a couple more, then I'm done.